In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save a video from your CapCut to your gallery. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. So the first step is open up your CapCut, and there you'll have to edit a video. Now you can just create a new project or just go to the projects that you already have there. So I'll just open up a project. Now let's say I want to save this in my gallery. Now to do that, all I need to do is just select the quality right here. You can select the quality, resolution, frame rates, and the code rates too. And after you do that, you will need to tap on export. Just tap on export and it will start exporting. And after it reaches 100%, it will be saved to your gallery. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you save a video from CapCut to your gallery. So yeah, that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.